A major political shift in Iran is now sending ripples across the Middle East. Soon after becoming the country's new supreme leader, Mojtaba Khamenei, he started receiving messages of support from groups and allies across the region, and let me tell you, this is drawing the global attention. Welcome to Times XP's war coverage, and the leadership transition came after the death of his father, Ali Khamenei, marking a historic moment in Iran's political system. The decision to appoint Mojtaba Khamenei, it was reportedly confirmed by the powerful assembly of experts, the cleric body responsible for choosing Iran's supreme leader. Now, this makes him the third leader of the Islamic Republic since the Iranian Revolution of 1979. Now, in Iran's political structure, the supreme leader, he is the king. He is the most powerful authority in the country, overseeing military, influencing the foreign policy, and guiding the nation's strategic decision. In fact, soon after the announcement, several allied groups with Iran, and that too across the region, they publicly welcomed the new leader. One of the first to respond was Kataib Hezbollah, a powerful militia group based in Iraq that maintains very close ties with Iran. The group described Mojtaba's rise as an important moment for continuation of Islamic revolution. And yes, around the same time, the Houthis in Yemen, they also praised the leadership transition and expressed support for Iran's new direction. These reactions highlight how Iran's influence, it extends far beyond the border. Over the past few years, Tehran has built strong connections with various political and armed groups, and that too across the Middle East. Supporters say that these alliances help Iran maintain strategic balance in the region, while critics argue that they contribute to the rising tension with rival countries and Western power. And also, how can we ignore the timing? The timing of this leadership change is specifically sensitive. The region is already experiencing heightened tension involving Israel, the US, and several Middle Eastern actors. Missile launchers, drone operation, military alerts, they have become more frequent, raising fear that the whole conflict could expand further if diplomatic solutions are not found. In the end, Mojtaba Khamenei, he now faces a risky task. As the new supreme leader, he will have to manage domestic stability inside Iran while also navigating relationship and security pressure. His decision in the coming months, it could shape not only Iran's future but also wider geopolitical balance, and that too across the region. So, in simple terms, Iran's political transition is not just a domestic event. It is a development with regional and global implication. The reaction from allied groups show how closely the Middle East is watching Tehran's next move and how the new leader's policies could influence the direction of the ongoing tension.